Hello dear students, we are studying our chapter Sports and Nutrition. Okay, we already discussed about carbohydrates and proteins. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the major component of our energy resource, that is fat. You know about fat? Yeah, generally we consider fat in this modern era, modern time. We can consider fat as a bad source, and if you have a lot of fat, many people are avoiding that. Okay, so if you consider it, so it is nowadays it is considered as a harmful subject, harmful component of food. But fats are also very essential for your growth, for your development, and for your energy which you get to complete your daily routine. So further we'll discuss about this. What are the bad features of fats and good features? These all things we'll discuss. First of all, fat is the atoms of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Fats are containing atoms of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and they are most concentrated source of energy in our food, in our diet which we intake. As a fat source you can take as ghee, butter. Okay, these all are the sources of fat. Those are non-vegetarians. They are having fat in the form of animals. That skin, it is stored, white color it is. You might have seen that, those who are non-vegetarians. So fats are everywhere, but some are good and some are bad. If fat you are consuming little bit in your food, that is not at all harmful. If it is 5 to 5%, 5 to 10%, it is all okay. But if you are consuming more, then it is little bit harmful to your body. Other than that, if your work routine is something else, means you have to work hard in fields, or you have to in your different games you are participating and you are preparing for that, then fat you should take little more. There is no problem at all. Okay? That will satisfy your energy need. So fats are stored in the body and are used as emergency sources of energy. Fats act as sources of energy during long duration workout. If there is long duration workout, then fat can be used as an energy source. Extra amount of carbohydrates are converted into glycogens and they get mixed up with fatty acids. Means whatever extra amount of carbohydrates we intake get mixed with the fatty acids, and fats also carry vitamins like A, D, E and K. These are fat soluble vitamins. Okay, fats are stored under the skin in the form of fatty acids. Fats are important source of energy for long endurance activities. Suppose you are a runner, you have to run long distances, then you need to consume more fat. Okay, fats are important for proper functioning of gland and other internal organs. That is why it is necessary. It is not at all bad in these aspects. But if you are consuming more, then it is maybe harming to your body. Fats help during blood clotting, maintenance of skin and hair. Our diet should consist 5 to 10% of fat. Okay, we should consume 5% to 10% of fat in our diet to maintain these things in our body. Means skin, hair, and it also helps in clotting of blood. Higher intake of fat increase the risk of obesity and many heart diseases. Okay, heart disease. If you consume more cholesterol, okay, bad type of fat, So it can increase the problems related to heart and other internal organs. There are two types of fatty acids. First one is saturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids are saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, saturated and unsaturated. The saturated fatty acids are, they contain chain of carbon atoms. They are found in food items like dairy products, cream, butter, coconut oil, peanut oil, palm oil, ghee, animal fat, etc. They are found in solid and liquid form. They have sticky quality, means they are little sticky. If you will touch with hand, it will stick to your hand. Okay, so these are called as saturated fats. Unsaturated fatty acids are, comes from the plants like peanut oil, olive oil, soya oil, etc. Both types are essential for a body, but try to consume unsaturated fats more than related to saturated fats. Okay, saturated fats we are getting from dairy products. Okay, products and ghee, animal fat, etc. Okay, saturated fats, unsaturated fats we are getting from the peanut oil, sesame oil, and that olive oil, etc. So unsaturated fats are also essential for a body and good. So you should consume this one more compared to this. Okay, this is not at all very bad. This also little bit you have to consume. I am striking out because more than this you should try to consume. Okay, so these are the things related to the fat. Next one is vitamins. We will discuss about that, but before that a few more things I have to assign you and you can complete it at home. These are your practical works. Okay, you have to maintain a practical file. You can get it now. All the shops are almost open, and you can go in Bakshipur or anywhere you can get that practical file. It is called Lab Manual for Physical Education. Okay, Lab Manual for Physical Education. So this you can buy from the market, and you have to start preparing your practical portion also. What do you have to do first? First of all, you have to fitness administration program for all the items. Means there are I think 6 items. Hopper test, you know, double A H P E R. Hopper test. You have to write in your file. First practical, it is practical number 1. Practical number 1. Okay. So Hopper test you have to write. All the 6 tests, whatever is included in that, you have to mention with the details related pictures. Okay, and wherever it is needed, you have to make index also. Okay, so these all things you have to mention in your practical file and make it prepare It is your first practical, so you have to prepare very clearly, and along with that you have to prepare a chart that you already prepare in class 11. You may be knowing that. Track and field events. Track and prepare a chart. Okay, track and field event. Big one, you have to prepare properly. All the track items: running, jumping, throwing, javelin throw, discus throw, shot put. Okay, these all things you have to mention there. How you are conducting. You can search it, and you can prepare a proper practical file for this. So hope you understand. Complete all your work, and whatever homeworks I am giving, means home assignments I am giving, that you should try to complete every day. And soon we will be calling you for the copies, so you can send it or you can bring it. We will be checking it. So before that, you have to prepare all your works. All the students of class 12, those are in physical education, this is very necessary, very important. So you have to prepare in proper way, neat and clean handwriting. Pictures, whatever you are selecting and pasting in the practical file, should be very proper. So be careful about these things and try to do all.